We have here a 3D art set. It's gonna come with everything you need. Comes with the little markers, little water pens. Here's the art pieces right here. Then it has different ways you can hook it with some string or a keychain. You can see all the fun different things you can pick from to color. It comes with some instructions. It's very simple. You'll take one of these, draw on it with just these special pens that it comes with, let it sit and dry for at least 5 minutes, and then you'll take the water pen and you can watch the magic happen and it will puff up where you put the water. We got them finished, so now we're gonna wait 5 minutes and then we'll add some water. It has a little paintbrush and you're just gonna take it and paint it on. It's just the water and it will slowly just puff up. If you want a little bit more water, you can gently squeeze the top to get some water to come out. But it does not take much to get it to puff up. So the fun thing about this is if you don't want to puff an area up, you can just leave it flat like this and just have the other areas puffed up. So I'm going to leave mine like this. I'm going to just have the star puffed up and the hat flat. So you can put a little tie on or even have a little keychain. So it's up to you how you want to display the finished product. So this 3D art is lots of fun. Are you having fun with it?
Yeah.
It's super easy to use and it's just fun to put water on and watch it puff up, and it's fun for any age kid to have some fun with some art.